speaker using IC. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like and comment. We will be requiring a hollow box like this. So we gonna take a cardboard and cut it in a circular shape and attach it to the lid of the box, just like this. Yes, and we get a hole where we will fit the speaker. So we take the speaker here, and by taking accurate measurements we make the hole and fit the speaker into that hole. Yes, it fits into that place. Okay, let's fit into this place. So we get a holder for the speaker, and we get the upper side of the speaker on the top of the lid. So we get two wires where we gonna attach those two wires to the circuit board. I am making specially two holes here so that I can insert the wires and there is no extra wires outside the box. So here we are with the data sheet. This IC circuit, the IC which is 810, which we are gonna use it to make this audio amplifier. So here is the total data sheet, which you will easily get in the Google. Just type the IC name and then data sheet, and then search who your way to go, and there you are with the data sheet. Here there are all the specifications, and this is the main circuit which we gonna make. So as you can see, VS signifies that the plus or the positive of the battery which we're gonna use, and plug it in here. In the VS we're gonna give the supply from here. VI indicates the voltage input or the audio signals which we're gonna receive from the mobile or any electronic device, and this RL denotes the speaker, and we're gonna connect the speaker accordingly to the circuit. Okay, so let me draw the circuit diagram for that audio cable and for the variable potentiometer. Okay, so let's begin. So here I am drawing the audio cable from which you are gonna receive the audio signals. Okay, now this audio cable has got three wires, wire number 1, wire number 2 and wire number 3. I'm gonna mark it as in one direction, another direction, and this is the star sign. Okay, so this I gonna denote it as G or ground, this I gonna denote it as plus, and this one as minus. So one wire as G, one wire as plus, one wire as minus. We're gonna connect only two wires, G and plus, to our circuit. Okay, now I will discuss a little bit about our variable potentiometer. Okay, it has got 3 pins and it looks close like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna draw the circuit of this. Okay, we're gonna add a resistor, and this is the main part. This is wait, let me draw first. Okay, okay, I'm gonna number the different switches or the different terminals as 1, 2 or 3. Okay, we gonna indicate number 3 point or third point of the variable potentiometer as VI, and indicate that one with minus. Rather than saying indicating, we gonna say that we will connect the point number 1 or the switch number 1 to the ground, and point number 3 to the voltage in, or the point where we are gonna receive the audio signals from our mobile or any electrical device. So let's put a little detail about it. We gonna add this number 1, and we gonna join this number 1 rather to audio cable. To which wire of the audio cable? To the ground wire of the audio cable, right? We're gonna join number 1 point to the ground wire of the audio cable, and also we're gonna join number 1, and we're gonna join number 3 to the positive wire of the audio cable. We're gonna join number 3 to the positive wire of the audio cable. So we joined the variable potentiometer or the device or the switch where we're gonna reduce or increase our volume to the audio cable. Now we're gonna join number 2. Number 2 we're gonna join where? We will join the number 2 to the ground of the circuit, main circuit. We're gonna join it to the minus of the so we take the hollow box and we make a hole, and first we make a mark in that, and we have to make a hole in that so that we can fix our variable potentiometer in it. So as you can see, we have made the hole. We will fix our potentiometer there. Yes, we will make our potentiometer switch pop out of that, and yes, we have done that. So as you all can see, I have made my circuit, and this is the audio cable we're gonna use. It has 3 wires as discussed earlier. It has got 3 wires, one ground, one plus and one minus. So here we are with the final connections in the circuit. I have joined every single wire in the circuit to make the circuit actually work. And here you can see this is the audio cable. This is the plus wire which I have discussed previously. We have attached it with the connector of the variable potentiometer, and this is the ground which we have attached with the connector of the variable potentiometer as discussed earlier. And this is the wire we have joined from the ground to the ground of the main circuit. So as you can see, the green wire connects the ground of the audio cable to the ground of the main circuit, the minus. So you can see here there are all the capacitors, and beside that there is a point which is connecting to the ground. Okay, and as you can see, beside the ground there is a V in or voltage in, where we gonna receive the audio audio signal, and we're gonna amplify it by our IC. So from that point, VI in VIN, we have got a red wire from that, and it goes directly to the second connector of the potentiometer. So according to the circuit I have already discussed, we have to join and connect the wires accordingly. So you can see I've really got a mesh over here, mesh of wires, and things are messy. So I'm gonna assemble it now. So I will assemble the parts into that small box so that it looks crisp. So as you can see, okay, now one thing to discuss, this is the power cable. This is the power from which we gonna give it to our circuit from the battery. So I have attached a switch in that line of the power so that we can easily switch on and switch off our circuit. So it's now time for assembling our circuit into a small box. So let's see. This is the audio cable. I have actually made a hole inside the box and have and through that hole I have taken out or popped out our audio cable. So we got our audio cable right out here, and yeah, we are way to go. I have used a LED which will glow with the rhythm of the sound or rhythm of the music. To do that, we have to connect a LED across the wires of the across the power receiving wires of the speakers. Okay, now another thing, if you are facing any kind of problem in making this audio amplifier circuit, you can easily avail one from any of the shops. And yes, we are ready, and I have closed the box and successfully assembled it. So we are ready with our project, we are ready with our audio amplifier. So here is the speaker, and I have used two LEDs, one for the power and another to glow with the rhythm of the sound. So here a 9-volt battery. Okay, so it's time to switch on. Yes, we have the power LED glow. So we are done with it. Now let's switch it on.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. Towards the sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways.
So this is the potentiometer. We are increase or decrease the volume of our amplifier using this. So as you can see, okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give a like, subscribe my channel, and do comment.